In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Poppo Live application. With this, you can earn coins and draw rewards. So to do that, you first need to head over to your actual mobile app or your mobile device. On your Play Store, click onto the search and click onto the search bar and search right here for Poppo. You can find Poppo Live right here. Install this and click on Open. This will open the Poppo Live. Poppo Live is actually an app that helps you do live right here. So proceed to log in using Google, your Facebook, or other login methods. Also make sure to enable in here read the privacy agreements and head over and then sign in using your Google account. So you can also sign in using your Facebook as well as phone number, email, and the likes. Complete right here your personal data. Enter right here your details as well as your not or your inviter and click on submit right here once you're done. This will open your Poppo Live. You can watch some lives, receive rewards, and also earn some points using this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.